kind of hot in the sun. Probably give it only a little bit more time and then move in the shade at least. But I think I can see the spine and what's left of the spinal cord. Ooh, notice how she uses her foot, even the dew claw, to hold it in place. That's why I don't like dew claw removal, because they use their claw, or dew claw is like our thumb. They just hook that into something and it helps stabilize whatever they're trying to chew on. Kind of like, ugh. It's getting hot, huh? Silly friend. But yeah, dogs are domestic wolves. Doesn't matter what breed, they are all just wolves. And they can eat what wolves eat. Kind of makes me wish I had a pack. Would be so funny.